Well, good afternoon my YouTube friends, it's Margaret here and I'm in the garden. We've just had a shower and I thought, well, I'd better come out and just quickly look around the garden. I've got the cymbidiums outside which I need to bring inside, and this is the one of the winter flowering clematis. And it looks really bedraggled at the moment, but I can tell you once that comes into bloom it's absolutely fantastic. That cold spell of course stopped everything in its tracks, but it has given a light shower this evening of a snow shower, so we'll just have to wait and see. Let me just take you over here now. This is one of the other camellias. It's given very cold weather again tonight, so I've had the cymbidiums outside and for the rain, and that'll perk them up. So excuse my shadow. Let's take you over here. Let me come out of the shadow. That's a crocus. That really knocked them back last week when it snowed, and I'm waiting for an Amazon delivery for some deeper pots. I wanted one for the Fragmipedium that's coming from M.E.s Orchids, and I thought I'll just see how deep they are, because I might actually transfer some of these cymbidiums. I mean, the pot size is not bad, but it's really not deep enough. They need to be a lot deeper. So and now I don't know whether I'm going to be in my own shadow here, and whether you'll see it, because we've had the frogs visit the pond again, and got lots and lots of frog spawn. It's lovely now, just at this moment in time, because the sun's been shining, and that there is oh gosh, I hate it when I forget. It comes out in variegated colours, pinks, lilacs. That just seeded itself in that wall many years ago, and it comes back every year. It'll come to me as I'm walking round, and of course we've got the bulbs coming through. So spring, you know, it isn't too far away. Let's have a look at this little azalea to see what this is doing. Of course it's been tucked under there. I'm just wondering whether this has got any flower buds on it yet. Doesn't look as though it has, so it'll have to go back in this little area here. So that keeps it from any of the prevailing winds that we get. Oh, I must take this cover off here now, because there's the bulbs coming through. I'll have to watch that now. Oh, look at this one. That's very nice. The first tulip. And some of these crocus have been lovely, but of course bashed about by the winds. We had some real easterly winds, and then of course we've had this rain now. So but hopefully now, I'll just take you this way round, as long as I'm not casting a shadow. And if we keep up with this nice weather, you'll see we've got tulips coming through there, tulips in here, and It's lovely. It's nice to come out into the garden. And I wander up here a little while. You have to excuse the traffic noise because they're just picking the children up from school. See, there's daffs all of a sudden. And look at that, that's the forsythia. A couple of days, maybe this weekend, and that'll be opening up. I mean, it doesn't look much, the side garden. We've just got some primulas there and some other flowers, but the little tiny daffodils are just starting to open, which is always lovely to see. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's just take you to the corner here and the birds have started to sing now. 4 o'clock in the morning, it's getting lighter, and like I say, spring is just around the corner. It's only a very quick garden view today. That's the auriculas. I'll have to check on those shortly and give them some feed and just check them over. But it's nice just actually to just come out into the garden. Let's just take you over here, and it's still quite chilly though, so I'll go in now and we'll speak again soon. Thanks for joining me. Oh, and by the way, my subscribers are just every day I've got new ones, and I'm so thrilled. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and we'll speak again soon. Now, bye bye now.